found freedom!
Oh!
Wow!
You're here!
Uitaka!
Ah, yeah!
You're here!
I can see you!
It's free!
You must be a part of me!
Look in the mirror. Alright, so he asked me if I ever used anything
Okay,
like
so
this.
before
Tell
to
me,
get
what is it? What is it?
into the natural way of life, make sure you got a proper sharpened machete.
Machete!
And the handle shouldn't move like it used to move like this. So we put a nice things here to make it not moving anymore, and so we can feel that beautiful vibration when we're using it. Thank you very much, and
We made it safe!
We're ready!
Alright, let's go! Okay, here we are.
Yeah.
We're documenting this nonsense.
Yes.
So, me and Freedom, we're looking for the free food. Free the food!
I mean, the food is which is there, which if we don't enjoy it, nobody's going to do it. I mean, yes, the insect, the animal kingdom will do it.
As we are part of the animal kingdom, so,
As we are.
we should grant some to the other animals all around us too.
Thank you.
But you know, the fruit that's there definitely wants to be enjoyed. So let's see what we can find on this big property.
Thank you very much.
Uh-huh.
And remember, we are loving you.
Oh my goodness, what we got here?
Yeah.
We got a fallen one.
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, tree.
Fallen one.
It's been falling.
Must have been too
Even
weak.
the banana were not ripe enough, maybe. Maybe. Or maybe they can. Yeah, they can be harvested. I mean, take
How do you
on
know?
the side, because it looks like they're quite well formed. Yes, and they can be. Yeah, maybe in 1 week they can be ready.
Looks like the right shape.
Yeah,
Ladies,
they are.
bananas.
They are cheeky little one.
Cheeky.
Cheeky little one.
This one fell down. Huh?
So now we got to. Why the purpose to have a nice sharp machete? Because of to give a nice grip
Nice
to
haircut.
the banana tree, which has been given away this wonderful service to produce that banana.
thank you.
we're happy to
Thank
enjoy
you
it.
for this beautiful service.
Thank you very much.
Abundance!
Ay, ay, ay.
All right.
Muchas gracias, por favor.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Tune in to the next episode. What will we find? Freedom, the banana samurai. Operation Abundance.
This one over there, ready?
Not ready, but there's
ready,
so
but
many.
still there.
Trees are pumping jackfruits.
Yes.
Bananas.
Okay,
I love bananas.
Keeping going. It looks like we live
We
them.
can try for now.
We live
It
them.
looks like
yeah.
it's
It
a
looks
severed connection somehow, but
I mean,
like the artery is somewhat blocked. Let's see what happens.
nothing, but it's okay.
Samurai,
Okay.
jungle samurai.
Hey,
Take out the
we
banana.
got Tarzan here with the machete, accomplishing marvel.
So these bananas got harvested already.
Yeah, it's got harvested, but we cannot leave the
No need to
beautiful tree. We can let them die in peace next to the ground, keeping the life cycle going and giving back to the ground what came to the ground from the ground. Yes.
Give it back to the other
Thank
bananas.
you. Thank you for
In the clump.
accomplishing such a great mission.
Sharp
Tarzan.
machetes. Jungle life. You want to come to the jungle? Come
Thank you.
on, let's play in the jungle. Free food. Chiquita. No chiquita banana, but fresh,
Free, yeah.
fresh real bananas.
Free you. Free you.
Free me.
Yes.
Freedom.
Free as you are.
Oh, look at
Wow.
Surface, and it's samurai training at the same time. Let's play. Come out, Mosen, Magic Mountain. Play with Freedom and Tarzan. We got some fallen ones. Jackfruit's falling from the tree. Wow. Look at them. Delicious. Oh my goodness.
Oh, look at
This is
that.
one of the prettiest though.
What's happening here? What's happening here? Like it was.
So what are we doing? Okay, guys, this week.
In any order that you prefer.
In any order. Who's up to do something?
Wow.
I'll do this. I'll observe the insects. Anybody want to come learn? We're doing all this. In this week. Jackfruities, look at them, abundance.
It's getting very smelly.
On guard! You are starfruit. Anybody feel like a starfruity?
You're the one to remind us where we're coming from.
Star boy.
Every time I hear it.
Oh, roller.
Oh no no no
Oi.
no 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 no!
I didn't even touch it. Really, I didn't touch it. It just started rolling. Look, so this is how we get our vitamin B. Humans, it's because fruit ends up in dirt and you just eat it. So, you know, they always say like non-meat eaters, they don't have enough vitamin B because they don't eat dirt.
Even one has been stuck here. For the
There's a monkey here.
Hey!
What are you doing?
I'm sharing love with plants. Because my love is not exclusive.
It looks like your natural state of being.
Oh, how did you guess? You must be a magical being.
Thank you for being so magical.
Thank you.